Changing the language in the Skyscanner app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Skyscanner app. Launch the Skyscanner app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the changes to take effect. Step 2. Access the menu. Look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, located in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to open the navigation options. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the menu, scroll down and find the Settings option. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can modify various app preferences. Step 4. Select Language. Within the Settings menu, look for the Language option. Tap on it to see a list of available languages that you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice, and you may need to restart the app for the changes to take full effect. Once you've completed these steps, the Skyscanner app will display in your selected language. Enjoy using the app in a language that suits you best.